Momshie here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, mag-unbox tayo ng gift pack na na-receive ko from TheAsianparent Philippines. Thank you so much for sending me this. So I'll be posting their link below. It's a must na mag-follow nyo rin yung group nila kasi they do a lot of events, they do articles, vlog, and they even do seminars or webinar for parenting. So, lalo na kagaya ko mga first-time mom, it's really a must na ma-follow nyo yung TheAsianparent. Of course, hindi naman ako makaka-receive ng ganitong gift pack if not for our group, which is yung Mommies Help Group PH. So, mega love shout out sa aming admin. Thank you so much, Mommy Georgia, for this. And of course, mega love shoutout din sa aking mga co-moderators, si Mommy George, Mommy Alejandra, and Abby. So, hello sa inyo mga mommies. So, I'll be posting our group link below para makapag-join po kayo because we also do activities, games, and maganda rin po yung mga topics na nadidiscuss and yung mga mommies na natutulungan, and we also do tie-ups. So, malay nyo naman, you might be one of the mommies na maka-receive ng mga gift pack na kagaya nito, diba? So, why not? Chok na. Yeah, so, please join all the links that I'll be posting on the description box below, and I'll see you there. So, ayun na, dami ko na sinabi. Nag-appreciation moment muna tayo. So, without further ado, let's begin. Ako kanina while opening. Ayan na po siya. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I'm gorgeous. Paisingit lang. So, isa-isahin po natin. This one is Hair to Toe Baby Wash Sensitive Moisture. Ayan. So, they also have Hair to Toe Wash Baby Wash din. Hair to Toe Baby Wash Rich Moisture. Pero, the difference is ito sensitive moisture. And nakalagay dito, it's suitable for babies who may be prone to eczema. So, actually sa group namin, Mommies Help Group PH, isa ang eczema sa most tackled or most concerned ng mga mommies. Because you really don't know kung ano na ba siya, kung allergy, kung normal rashes lang siya, tapos yun pala eczema na. So, yan. So, let's be mindful ng mga ginagamit natin sa mga babies natin. So, I think this one is good because talagang nilagay na nila yung purpose of this product. Diba? Bongga bells. So, yun. Of course, kung merong hair body wash, meron tayong shampoo. Yan. So, rich moisture. Help keeps baby scalp moisture and hair soft. Bongga. Yan. So, of course, pag may shampoo, after bath, we have the lotion. Yan. Rich moisture gently moisturizes baby skin all day. So, sa pinaka-na-excite ako when I opened it, they also sent me baby wipes. So, baby wipes sensitive moisture as gentle as water with instant moisturizing care suitable for newborn. Diba? Sinong mommies ang hindi pwede mawalan ng baby wipes? Yan. So, I think that's all. Yan. So, may free pang lalagyan. It's very nice kasi it's white. So, their packaging is super nice. Yung cute niya. So, very handy lang sila. Yan. So, ito na po lahat ng nakuha ko and I'm super duper happy. And it came with this. Parang brochure lang siya. And basahin natin ng very quick kung ano yung nasa loob. So, meron silang ng did you know? And okay, so safety and expert approved, hypoallergenic, mild tear-free formula, ophthalmologist, dermatologist, and pediatrician tested, pH neutral, suitable for newborns, replenishes essential moisture and nutrients in baby's skin, available in rich moisture and sensitive moisture variants. So, super quick lang. And on top of that, I have a 20% discount. So, meron siyang pa-coupon that I can avail. Baby Dove hair to toe wash 400 ml. So, magandang pa this with may pa-coupon pa sila na I can purchase at Watson's. So, ayun. I'm super happy. Super duper happy. So, this is not the first time that I use Baby Dove. Before, nakabili na rin ako sa Watson ng Baby Dove shampoo and yung lotion nila. So, yung the rest I haven't tried. Pero, so parang unboxing na rin siya and review para sa na-try ko na product, which is yung lotion and yung shampoo. And it's super effective kay baby. Bumili lang ako ng maliit kasi I wanted to try first kung effective kay baby. And parang blessing in disguise na siya na nagpadala ng gift pack si Baby Dove because almost wala na akong stock. Diba? So, thank you so much. So, mga ka-Momshies, I think that's it. Again, thank you so much, Mommy's Help Group PH, Admin Georgia, and the Asian Parent Philippines for sending me this gift back. I'm super duper mega happy. Again, mga Momshies, I'll be posting all the links below kung if you wish to be one of those mommies na pwedeng makareceive ng mga ganitong gift packs. Please visit all the links that I'll be posting on the description box. Click na yan, like na yan, add na yan, follow na yan. Yan. Be updated, just be active, and malay ninyo kayo na din yung mga next mommies na katulad ko na nag-unbox, diba? Anything for our little one. So, I think that's it for me now. And, of course, alam niyo na ang kalakaran. If bago kayo sa aking account, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this post. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo and click that bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next vlogs and unboxing na gagawin ko. So, thank you so much guys for watching and bye for now!